morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss a topic that is theory of demand. So before going to particular definition of demand, let's clear these concepts, that is desire, want and demand. In layman's language, there is the word demand and the desire is used as a synonymous with even want. But in economics, there is a little bit difference between these three terms. So let's clear first the difference, that is the first one is desire. In simple words, we can say that the desire is a wish or a feeling to possess a thing or to enjoy a service. For example, if a poor servant wants to buy a car but it doesn't have sufficient resources to purchase it, then it is only desire of that person, not its demand. Now moving toward the next one, that is want. So the desire will become want when a person has sufficient resources to purchase a commodity or enjoy a service, but he may or may not be willing to purchase it. Now let's move toward the term demand. The want and the desire will become demand when a person has sufficient resources to purchase a commodity and even he is willing to buy that commodity, then that will be the demand of a commodity for an person. Now let's go to the basic definition of demand. Demand may be defined as a total amount of a commodity purchased or by being a consumer at the given price or at the given point of time, other things remaining same. I am going to more clear to you the concept of demand by using this diagram. So this table will be known as individual demand curve. So at the one side of this table shows the price of the commodity, or at the another side shows the quantity demanded. So as you can see, when the price of the commodity, you will be take any commodity like apple, mango. I will take it as an apple. If the price of the apple is rupees 20, then the quantity demanded will be 5 per kg. And if the price moves toward rupees 20, then quantity demanded will be 4 per kg. Or at the end, if the price moves to rupees 50, the quantity demanded will be moves to only 1 per kg. So this table shows what? This table shows that with the rise in price of the commodity or an apple, the quantity demanded will be fall. When the price is rupees 10, the demand will be 5. When the price rise to rupees 50, the demand will fallen to 1 per kg. Now I am moving toward the individual demand. So now I am moving toward individual demand curve. So firstly, what is individual demand curve? The graphical representation of individual demand schedule is known as individual demand curve. As I discussed earlier, if the price of the commodity is rupees 10, the quantity demanded will be 5. But if the price of the commodity rise to rupees 50, the quantity demanded fall to 1 per kg. So accordingly, this individual demand curve shows the downward sloping of the curve. which indicate that there is a negative relationship between price and the demand of the commodity, because at the higher price of the commodity the demand fall, but at the lower price of the commodity the demand will be rise. So that's enough for today. Next we'll be going to our next lecture. Thank you.